Let us discuss a topic on linear differential equation. In general, linear differential equation can be expressed in the form of dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, or dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. Okay. Here, first the given equation can reduce in the linear differential equation in y, linear differential equation in x, any one of the form. Next, to follow the rules to get the solution. The first one that can be expressed in the linear form. Next, to find out integrating factor. That is equal to e power integral p of x dx. After the integrating factor, to find out the or to substitute the general solution. The general solution of linear differential equation is here y is the dependent variable, y into integrating factor equal to integral q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. It is the general solution. Just we can substitute integrating factor and simplify. In the same way, if the equation is in dx by dy plus p of x into p of y into x equal to p of y, in this first we can find out integrating factor, that is equal to e power integral p of y dy. Next, write in the general solution. The general solution is x into integrating factor equal to integral q of y into integrating factor dy plus c. Then simplify, we get the general solution of the given linear differential equation. Now, we discuss one problem, how to solve the linear differential equation. First of all, is it expressed in linear form or not? The problem is solve 1 plus y square into dx plus x minus e power tan inverse y into dy equal to 0. Okay. Here, just you can observe this equation. When we take dy by dx, then dy by dx coefficient having the two terms, then we cannot divide. Why? Because we cannot split into two terms. When you take dx by dy, then 1 plus y square can divide to another side, means then that can write separate two terms. That is, one is x by 1 plus y square, another one is e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. So first you can observe the equation. Is it reduced to linear form or not? If it can reduce to linear form, what is the form? Either dy by dx or dx by dy. Here from the equation, I got 1 plus y square into dx is equal to minus of x minus e power tan inverse y into dy. This is the numerator. We leave in the numerator only. So dy is taking to left side, then it becomes dx by dy equal to minus of x minus e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Write separate terms, minus x by 1 plus y square, minus into minus, plus e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. This minus x can taking to left side, dx by dy plus 1 by 1 plus y square into x equal to e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. It is equation 1. Equation 1 in the form of linear differential equation, which is dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. Here, p of y equal to 1 by 1 plus y square, q of y equal to e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Next, find out the integrating factor. Integrating factor equal to e power integral p of y dy equal to e power integral 1 by 1 plus y square dy equal to e power tan inverse y. Next, write in the general solution. The general solution is x into integrating factor equal to integral q of y into integrating factor dy plus c. X into integrating factor is e power tan inverse y equal to integral q of y is e power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square. Integrating factor is e power tan inverse y into dy plus c. Here we can take e power tan inverse y is equal to, suppose t, differentiate e power tan inverse y. Again tan inverse y is 1 by 1 plus y square. Again y differentiation is dy. So integral, in the place of e power tan inverse y, it is t. E power tan inverse y by 1 plus y square into dy is dt. That is equal to t square by 2. That is equal to e power tan inverse y by 2. E power tan inverse y whole square. So this is the integration part. So write in above equation, x into e power tan inverse y is equal to e power tan inverse y whole square by 2 plus c is the general solution of linear differential equation. It can be written in the form of integral f of t into f dash of t dt. That is equal to f of t whole square by 2 plus c is the integration formula. Okay, this is the way how we can find out the linear differential equation problem solution.